Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to start vlogging, sharing tutorials, or creating any type of content, this is a simple process that anyone can follow. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Just go to google.com, click on Sign In, and follow the steps to create your account. Now that you're signed in, head over to YouTube's homepage. In the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture or the icon that looks like a person if you haven't set a profile picture yet. From the drop-down menu, click on Create a Channel. You'll now be asked if you want to use your Google account name or create a custom channel name. Choose the option that suits you best. If you want a brand name or something different, go with the custom name option. Once you've decided, click Create. Now your YouTube channel is officially created. But before you start uploading videos, there are a few more things you should do. Let's customize your channel. Go back to your profile and click Your Channel. From here, click on the Customize Channel button. You'll be able to add a profile picture, channel banner, and even write a short description about what your channel is all about. Make sure your channel looks professional and reflects your style or content theme. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start uploading videos. And that's how you create a YouTube channel. Now you're all set to share your content with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.